In this video, we're going to learn how to use your soft weights in conjunction with your cable ring. When you're first starting a project, you'll likely have a setup bonnet, and the soft weight can simply rest right in the bottom. The same thing if you're knitting a toe-up sock, the weight can simply rest right in the toe of the sock as you're knitting. But at some point, you'll want to increase the weight, move it up toward the top of the tube. So we're going to learn how to do that today. First, you'll remove the sock weight. Just reach into the tube. But very importantly, make sure you're pulling down on the bottom as you lift up the weight, because otherwise stitches can jump off the needles. Then you'll reach under the machine with your cable ring and attach it. But first I'm going to show you how to do that on a sample swatch. So to open the ring, you press here. It simply opens. And then to close, you just pinch these two pieces together. So you can pinch a little bit and then pinch it all the way shut. Again, to open it, you press here at the top. So this is just a sample gauge swatch. I'm going to show you how to do it as if this were hanging down. We'll pretend this is hanging down from in the machine and I'm reaching up underneath. So first you just gather all of the material in, and I cinch it, just close it just a tiny bit, and then I pull it up so that it's right up near the top of the cylinder, and once it's in position as I want it, I pinch it the rest of the way shut to close it, and then I'll apply my soft weight. When I'm ready to remove it, again, you just press here and it opens right up enough that I can take it off the tube. So now let's look at it on the actual machine. Again, I'm going to open it up, reach underneath, and close it a little bit. Then push it all the way up, and you really want to make sure that it's centered in your tube, and then cinch it the rest of the way closed. And the reason you want it centered is so that you get an equal distribution of weight. Otherwise, sometimes if it's really off, you can actually see that on your finished knit, or it will cause some of the stitches to not have the right amount of tension. After it's centered and you've tightened it, you simply add your soft weight and you're ready to start knitting. That's all there is to it. Visit us at deanandbean.com and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.